as I'm watching all these new young artists begin to spin, what I'm noticing a lot of is this, where they do the butterfly and then they do this to do their weave. And this is, as I have indicated before, not as effective as the other things, but the other things I put in that video. But I think that people haven't had time to learn those, the taps, so they're not doing them. So I thought what might be fun was starting out with just like a basic exercise to help teach people how to do what they're doing in a way that preserves the line, right? Because this is still going from a butterfly. It's just you keep one of them where it is and you move the other one, and then you can do the weave. And then when you want to go back to the butterfly, you could do this. So I thought it might be good to do some of these drills to give you that skill, and then also to record to give other people that skill. The first thing it relies on is the rotator, which I'm not sure you and I have ever done before. The idea with the rotator is that you are learning how to move your body independently of the poi, and you're trying to learn how to move the poi independently of your body. So if we started with your left hand going in overhand, you should be mirroring me as you do it, in theory. Okay, great, looks like you're mirroring me. Now, what you want to do is slide the poi, and turn your body at the same time. Now, this hand would stay here, but this poi is coming to the side. And what you've just done is shift your body and shift the poi. You've plane shifted it, and then plane shift it back to where it was. So you come from the front, and you turn to your right. So if you were doing a back view, watching me from the back view, you would turn to your right as you slide the poi with you, so that you would face your right in overhand. And then you would slide back to the front so that the poi is going counterclockwise on the front plane in front of you, as if you were in an overhand butterfly like this. Okay, so you slide and you turn, and then you would slide and you would turn back. So 5, 6, 7, slide and turn to the right, and we'll do it in 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now slide back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now slide out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide back. 1, 2, 3. You are literally just plane shifting as you move your body. That is the whole exercise, which seems, it's a very all you do is thing, but we're about to add the other hand into it, so it'll be, you know. The specific location of where your hand is not as relevant as the overall trajectory of the arc of the plane of the poi. The objective is to have the poi on this plane here, then slide it to here. How your body is oriented relative to the poi is less relevant than the arc of the poi path. Now that you've gone from here to the side, and then you come back, now let's do it with 2 hands. Starting from the butterfly, you leave the left hand where it is, and then you slide your right one, and then you're here, an overhand on the side, ready to go into the weave. So you're here in the butterfly, your left poi stays where it is, the right one slides, 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 slides. You're in the weave. You open up the weave, and then your right poi slides back as you turn to the left, come back to the front, just like you just did when you do it with one hand alone. So you can open it up, get into your weave, open up your weave, slide it back to your butterfly. It's just a different way to do the same thing. And then come back to the front. So now let's just try it with the left hand and see what happens. You keep your right hand going and you slide to the left as you turn to the left, so that you're an overhand on the left instead of on the right. And then you can do the weave. And then open it up, and then slide it back, slide it back, slide it back, slide it back. And you're back in overhand butterfly. So back to the left, slide it out, slide it out, slide it out, come into overhand on your left side, go into your overhand weave, open up your weave, slide your left poi back, come to the front, come around, you're in overhand butterfly. Let's go one more time to the left, slide it to the left, around, 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 overhand weave. Now go down with your weave, come back up and all the way up with your weave, and come back down with your weave, and come back up with your weave, And now go to the center with your weave, open up your weave, slide your left poi back to the front. Now we're gonna go to the right side from this butterfly. So slide it to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, and then go into your overhand weave here, and come down with your weave, and go back up, and all the way up, 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 up with your weave, and then back down with your weave, and then back up with your weave, and then come to normal with your weave. Open up your weave, slide your right poi, come to the front, come to the front, come to the front, come to the front. Now slide the left one out to the side, go into your overhand weave again. Now as you're doing your weave, when the left poi comes from the bottom, extend the arm and bring it back over the top. You're just gonna do an extension, so just make the hand path a little bigger. Stretch that arm as you come through. Stretch that arm. Stretch that arm. And then instead of doing the left arm, do the right arm. So when it's coming from the away position home and going over, stretch it from under to over. Stretch it from under to over. Stretch it from under to over. And 5 more on the right. And 4 more on the right. And 3 more on the right. And 2 more on the right. And 1 more on the right. Now let's do 5 on the left. 4 on the left. 3 on the left. 2 on the left. 1 on the left. And if you feel crazy, you can try doing alternating left extension, right extension, left extension, right extension, left extension, right extension, back to the weave, open it up, slide your left one to the front,